Hi guys, welcome.
Hi guys, welcome.
So every business has to make decisions, and we are trying to start a business. We purchased a Flux Beambox Pro that for us has been nothing but
Problematic.
we've had nothing but issues with this machine. And we are at the point where Matter Hacker has done everything they can for us.
They've been great the entire time.
It's boiling down to this hardware is not what a business should have. It's something that I cannot get it to consistently cut.
We spent hours, and that's not an exaggeration, trying to align the lasers, clean the lasers,
Level the bed.
level the bed, literally anything that we could have
We've
done.
already had to change the water pump, the laser tube. I mean, at this point, I can't do anything more. So we're at the point where we have to make a decision. We think that we are going to go through with the satisfaction guarantee and return this machine. Flux Beambox Pro, it's not for us. It's not you, it's us. We're having issues. We're breaking up. We are now on the edge of, do we go with a full spectrum Muse 3D, or do we say screw it and get the Glowforge Pro? My concern is we want to be able to do cups and stuff of that nature. So if we go with the Glowforge, as of right now, they don't have anything with a rotary. I don't know. This is where we don't know what to do.
I want to do more of the wedding decor, home decor, wooden signs, all of those things. And you want to do more acrylic signs. The cups aren't our main concern, but I think that we could generate a good amount of revenue from cups. So that's where I'm kind of conflicted on what do we do. But if we're mainly concentrating on signs, then the Glowforge is probably where I'm leaning, because I think that eventually, if not soon, they'll be working on a rotary attachment for that.
But yeah, I would agree. To me, there's a lot of things that are pluses with the Glowforge. If we get a Glowforge, we can share our code. We get money back, you guys get to save money. Win-win for both. The thing that intrigues me the most with the Glowforge is the community is huge. So any questions you have, you literally just reach out on Facebook, and they have forums with 250,000 people in it.
Wouldn't be as big of a guessing game as this machine is, because there's not a lot of content out there to help with it, if any at all. We're having a very hard time.
For me, I'm intrigued with the full spectrum because it has the rotary. It is from a company that doesn't have just one laser or just has 3 lasers. They have fiber lasers, they have large format lasers, they have all sorts of different things. So I'm very intrigued with them, but also the problem is there's no content out there. I can't go and watch a good YouTube video and find out the details of what people are experiencing with it. And that's a huge issue for me. And the creator code that Full Spectrum offers is not good. I mean, we would get like $150 if we sold a $7,000 laser. When you compare it to Glowforge, Glowforge is giving $500 for their $6,000 laser. So yeah, there's so many things that we have to think about that we want to nail down. I mean, we're going at this company a million miles a minute. You will see our basement. It's completely revamped. We have basically a full paint shop downstairs, and we're ready to jump in feet first, but
This is slowing us down. We're at a standstill every time we face a problem.
yeah.
Because if we need a part, it's going to take a week. It's not Matter Hacker's fault, it's where they get their supplies from. So there's just too many people that need to be involved in order to fix a small problem, and then once that small problem gets fixed, it's another small problem, which is turning into an overall big problem.
Which no business can operate that way. This is where we're at. If you guys have any feedback, anything you want to add to it. If you know that the Glowforge is great, let us know. If you know that the Full Spectrum Muse 3D is great, let us know. Message us on Instagram. Message her on Instagram. Give either of us a message so that we can hear firsthand what you guys have done, gone through, anything of that nature.
Just tell us what to do.
Yeah. Actually, if you want to just start the whole business yourself,
Yeah.
great too.
Yep.
But anyways, guys, that was our quick little rant.
If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can see whatever decisions we make and our next step. Please like here or here.
No, it's that side.
It's here, okay. Please like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. Let us know if you want us to try to make anything. Give us some ideas, and that's it.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.